Hello everyone. So in this video we will see this sections part, popular, recent and a trending post. How can we deal with that? Let's open the PS Code, and here on the sections below, here on the popular, recent, they already defined popular post. So let's define from here for post in popular. First we need to define on the views.py. I've not defined the popular, so let's define it. Popular by let's define it as 5 posts only be available here, and so defined here popular. Okay, done. So let's change on the index.html file. Okay, we have made it. And the in section is ending here, so let's paste it and modify all these things. Is the title, post dot title, it will come date, so post dot date. Here's the image sections, so let's modify it, image dot url, and here's the url. So just copy this url, paste down here. So similarly, if we want to modify, we don't, so we have done it and we don't need this tab post. So let's remove this all things. From here we are removing this all post. It is creating the loop, and when the admin post the posts, then every post will available in these loops. So for recent post, we will define same for post in recent. So make the changes here, post dot image url. So copy here, after that we need to date. Okay, everything is working fine. Okay, now let's remove this on this thing. We don't need this, so just remove it. Let's first check both of these posts, it's working or not. So let's refresh it. We're seeing all the popular post is removed, and in the recent there is only one post available, since we have only updated only one post. So let's check another content and for hits. So for checking, scoping, and paste it here, and just with this title, paste it here, and it's broccoli master. Okay, now upload the file. So I will take another. Let's take the category on politics, publish, save. Done. Now let's check it. So on the popular sections we have not seeing any updated. So let's check why this is happening. We define the popular here. Okay, and on the views.py, Lord is fine. So check the model. Oh, sorry, I have defined here publish. That's why it come like that. So let's change it popular, modify it like popular. So again, we will migrate these all files, and then migration minus dot migrate these files. Okay, let's run the server. Check back again. I think update here. Okay, we have not defined a section. Execute again. Now it's working fine. But in the similar way, you can modify all these things. So when we click here, blog single.html5 page is opening. So we also need to modify here text.html file. What is things here? Just copy it. Let's paste it. Similarly, it's the same as here. Okay, now thing and checking it again. Finally it's done. So in similar way you can also do with the trending posts. Now it's your task to complete the trending sections, and when you completed it, please comment below.